Alright, in this video is a little bit different than my other custom tutorials. This isn't so much a tutorial, but instead this is a request for help from you all. I'm working on a couple of parallax backgrounds, and this is just a basic one here where we have 3 layers of spheres, and I've actually made this over in Affinity Designer. And I've got 3 layers here. I can save these as PNG files. We don't even really have that background there. And I can import this into Kustom just fine. The images, I can scale them up, they show. And do take note that the size of these images are 6,000 pixels by 3,000 pixels. That is why they still look clear on the device. So then I'm working on another parallax background where we have a couple of double helixes, and I want that same effect. I want to be able to scroll the background, but these will not load once I scale that image to the size of my screen device. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Inside of the advanced editor, this is this A. A is the front one that we see right here, and I have it linked to a global. So let me just back out of here, go to globals, and if I bump the size on down, you can see that this image, I had it scaled so that it filled up the whole screen, and now we have a lot of this left over at the bottom. So if I save that and apply it to the home screen, we still get that parallax effect, and notice that it still just scrolls just fine and it loads up. So notice now I do have this front layer loaded up inside of the advanced editor, and it's just this one here, and we can recolor or colorize things inside of Kustom. And I have these sitting inside of an overlap group, and I'm just going to come back to the globals again, and if I resize this is where we run into an issue. So basically I want this bottom of the double helix to fill up the entire screen. It may look a little bit jacked up here in the advanced editor. Sometimes it will not show correctly, but the big issue I'm having is it will not show on the wallpaper. So I'm just going to bump up this size. So somewhere right around 1950, it looks like it fills up the whole screen. And this happens sometimes. Notice that little switch there. Sometimes it shows it, sometimes it doesn't in the advanced editor, but if I save this, and going back to the home screen, this is what I always get. So I don't know what's causing that. This is a PNG image too. The resolution of these images are roughly 4,000 by 3,000 pixels. So if any of you have a solution to this, these are PNG images. I've tried vector graphics. I haven't tried the JPEGs because I don't want to use a JPEG because I want to be able to have a transparent background just like over here. And then that's going to allow me to come in here and recolor every single individual piece of these PNG images inside of Kustom. So if you have any suggestions or anything like that, please leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your feedback on this. And that's it for this video. I look forward to your help.